My name is John McKeon, and I'm the moderator for the Teradata Aprimo River community, Teradata and Aprimo's largest customer community. You can connect with us at teradataRiver2.com. Today, we'd like to welcome Jeff Urbanek, AVP of Marketing Management at AT&T. AT&T is the largest communication holding company in the world by revenue, 124 billion, 28.9 petabytes of data running across every business day. Jeff, welcome to the River.
Thank you.
Jeff will be presenting at this year's Partners Conference on making the marketing engine hum, something that we all want to do. Jeff, you are in a very interesting environment right now. Mature customer base, information is exploding. The end users really want to get control of this data so they actually can grab the most value out of it. What are the dimensions around giving the end users control of this data explosion?
I think getting the people, the process, and the infrastructure not only set up within themselves, but set up to work together is what's most critical in getting more information in the hands of decision makers and the end user ultimately.
So, Jeff, just trying to get back to the first point, information explosion. Why is the need for information exploding?
I think as customers evolve and as our marketing to those customers progresses, we need to be more targeted, more specific, more one-to-one. And by getting that ecosystem right, it allows us to do that. To be able to deliver better results with often fewer resources, we need to be smarter, we need to target better, and we need to improve yield. And that's why we've evolved the way we have.
So, Jeff, why can't you just say abracadabra, I'm going to give my end users better data? What's the alligators around doing that?
I think giving really smart people really good data helps by itself. But at the end of the day, using AT&T as an example, we've got 300 professionals working in this space. It's important that they don't get in each other's way. It's important that the action of one complements the action of another. So getting the people organized around the strategic intent is hugely critical, and you need some structure to be able to do that, not just good data. You need good processes. You need to make sure that you can balance the load, that you can optimize your touches across the customer base, especially when 300 folks might be touching potentially a lead, and you've got to have the right infrastructure to facilitate that.
Well, Jeff, what happens when you have a massive company like AT&T that's very complex? Is it just about best-in-class infrastructure, or what are the issues around taking all those different types of infrastructure and integrating them so they really hum?
That's a really, really key point. Companies like AT&T, for specific purposes, buy best-in-class, whether it be MRM, and how you manage and prioritize resources, or the physical generation of the campaign and the management of that campaign, or the business intelligence and reporting that comes on the back end but feeds the process back again on the front end. It's important that a company can deliver on the business need, but also that those technologies operate together and we can mechanize the connections as best we can. At AT&T, we buy different brands. We have a brand for MRM. We've got a separate brand for Campaign Manager. We've got yet a third brand for Business Intelligence. We believe we've bought best in class for the business problem in each of those silos that we're trying to solve, and we've been very effective at connecting those technologies, even though they were produced by different manufacturers. And that's really important. Our ability to mechanize between the critical infrastructure pieces in our ecosystem gives us the ability to be able to speak the same language from start to finish as we design, implement, and assess a campaign, for example.
Jeff Urbanek, AVP Marketing Management, AT&T. He is speaking at the Partners Conference, making the marketing engine hum. It should be a great session. Jeff, look forward to seeing you there.
Thank you.